Hey. I'm gonna try and stream this too. Last time I streamed this and recorded this, it was a disaster because it didn't pick up any of the audio apparently from the game, which was grade A entertainment. Now, let's do as I do best. Forget to actually open up Twitch to see what I'm doing.
In between those passes, it has to both kind of.
And I'm live. Nobody's watching. Either or Potator Destructinator, we are going to take this into high gear. As some of you may or may not remember, last time first run of the game, I won. We got one cell. This guy is completely gone. We can do this now, which I'm gonna have to change to like something like X. Oh, middle mouse. Okay, but apparently scroll it's sharing something. Heal is F, H, or middle mouse. I'm gonna have to remove that. I can go from D to F and that's no problem. Do I even need that much of a heal button? If you saw my last episode, which honestly, I probably wouldn't watch myself. Oh, it's still giving me like a no need for healing. We're gonna have to actually change that. How about... Yeah, let's keep it as that. Because you can't just have it blank, apparently. Okay, we're good. Be one with that wonderful tool. Now, this is new to me. Going to have to explore in here a little bit. Looks like I'm gonna have to have something additional to help with. We'll come back to that guy, you know? It's only our first run, or second run, I should say. And it's opening up very nicely. This reminds me of something. That looks like a new enemy. Never seen that before in my entire beta. Y'all shut up there. Thank you. Ooh, sneaky. That's new to me again. But we'll learn. We'll learn. Aha, I see you. Yeah, those things just kicked my ass. New enemies, new problems, new solutions. I have no new solutions for them just yet. Ooh. Yeah. I played with those more. No! She was the only chick we knew down here. How else would we get the Zuck? Nah, I don't like the fact of having ammo. Alright, time to explore the other half of stuff. I'm just gonna go over here. I'm gonna slide this around. Sliding around. Hello, single viewer. I could read you if you were to say something. I would be happy if you did. That'd make me feel very entertaining. You're probably a friend of mine too. Maybe not. Maybe you. Alrighty then. Everything's a JoJo reference, guys. Everything. I want that because I think I get a bird. Maybe. I don't know, but the bird is pretty cool in my opinion. Never even used the bird before. But I just want the bird. The bird, bird, bird. The bird is the word. We're good here. Maybe this time we'll beat the game without losing it. I didn't even stop to think twice about that broken thing. We may actually have to use, first time in this save slot, the, flash. Flash. Looks like your left hand's stuck, buddy. I don't know about you in the fisting iron department, but, totally. I'll do what he asked. Ooh. Well, that was rude. Yeah, I might as well drink it. Launches a volley of arrows. And increases damage. Why, this is one of my appealed weapons. You bastard. I have done really bad recently. But you know, it's okay. We'll still get out of this victorious. Just gotta get a better weapon. And more of these scrolls. The scrolls would really help me. Before those, on the ground, you used to be able to press a button, and it would take you to what I'm assuming is now the daily challenge. And doing so would get you a necklace, a scroll, and other stuff. My guy's a little off. I can't read. Ooh. Jumping on an enemy stuns it. We're gonna have an interesting time with that. Jumping on as in I'm in the same location as the enemy, and I jump and it stuns him, or I jump and I land. Mario. I wonder if I can get up there on the right. Probably not yet. My favorite answer. And the poison effect. And I was blind before, apparently. Remember the day that I regained my sight? I looked in the mirror and I was instantly disturbed. Get out of there. It's a trap. Get out of there. I don't care what you have to say about my performance before. Right there. That was a bit of skills. A bit of bills. never fall cell before I can open that door, apparently. Ooh. 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 Yeah, this might be the only thing I actually get because of the bleeding. But burning damage. I'm an idiot. I haven't been utilizing the burn damage buff. Whatever. Nah, we're good. I haven't been utilizing most of the damage from this thing. By most, I mean an extra percentile. I want that stuff. Wait a minute. This is one of those situations where I need the spider room. I know what you might be thinking, well, but you already have one. You don't need a second one. Actually, I do. I Scooby-Dooby-Doo. I think I should use the heal potion. Just maybe. Maybe I didn't need it. Maybe I did. I don't know. I don't want to risk it. Risk it for the biscuit. Nope. That's already the way we don't want to go. Ooh, the door. Ah, that sucks. That sucks. Most common enemy number one. Those Actually, most common enemy is my own playstyle that hasn't adapted to the new enemy. New by my standards. Some of you have already watched other people play this, whereas I haven't been playing this, even though it's one of my favorite games. Completely useless door, like always. That's one thing that haven't changed. I know where we are. A little courage, okay. That never happened. Oh man. Once we get a couple of weapons I actually enjoy using, we might get a little further ahead in life. But you know what? We're going there next again, and I'm not gonna let myself take the cell down just to get the other runes to make it easier on myself. Oh, fuck you, Scroll Keeper. Alright, that was fun. But, I'm gonna call it there. Simple 2020, 21, 22, 23. I'm tired of counting. Bye-bye.